A new monthly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. After installing this update, the device gets upgraded to the February security patch. The size of this update is 297.85 MB. Here is the storage before downloading the update. I'll also show this again after installing the update. I have already started downloading it, and once it's complete, I'll go ahead and install the update. After installing this update, I'll share with you CPU scores, the 3D Mark stress test results of this device both before and after. And also, I talk about any issues I noticed after using it for more than 48 hours. Alright, the update took around 5 minutes to complete. Make sure you do not press any buttons while the update is in progress. Coming to the changes, after the update, there are no visible changes. All the applications, files and remaining data are there. Here is the storage after updating. Next, here are the CPU single core and multi-core scores before and after the update. As you can see, there is a noticeable difference in the CPU single core and multi-core numbers. Next, here are the 3D Mark stress test results. You can observe the numbers before and after the update. Now coming to my user experience, after 48 hours of using this mobile phone, the battery backup feels the same as before in my device, and I didn't encounter any issues either. No green line issues, no glitches and no lags. So whether you are wondering if you should update or not, yes, you can safely update it, guys. That's the video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. I have added all the related product links for the S24 FE in the description box. If you are interested in protecting your mobile phone, definitely check them out.